Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing baked pork chops with potatoes. Recipes down in the description box for your convenience. And let's get cooking. Okay, we have a 9x13 baking pan where we are going to coat it with some non-stick. And then we're going to layer our pork chops, bone-in pork chops. Just going to layer these in here. Squeeze them in. Okay, now we have 5 potatoes peeled and cubed up, and we are just going to layer them on top of the pork chops. So now we have some garlic powder. We're going to coat that. We have some Celtic sea salt, and we are going to grind some of that on top. And we have some black pepper. We will grind some of that as well. Now we have a 1/4 cup of flour. We are going to sprinkle over everything. And now we are going to fill it with water. I'm going to make sure just about everything is covered. We're going to throw this in the oven, 350 degrees for 5 hours. Slow bake. Okay, it's been about 5 hours, and take a look at that. That looks amazing. Pork chops are underneath, and they're just going to fall apart. So we're going to try to take one out. Oh, so crispy. Oh yeah, they fall apart. They'll come out in pieces. Some of these potatoes. And there you have it. Pork chop and potato bake. All right, let's try this out. This looks tasty. Let's try potato. Soft as can be. It just melts in your mouth. Wow. Cut it with a fork. Meat and potato recipe. Recipes down in the description box. Try this. If you got 5 hours, it's good to throw this on like right after breakfast or around lunchtime, Sunday afternoon. Let the house smell of baked pork and potatoes. Till next time, it's the Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.